So in the previous video, we understood what is examination anxiety. So today, let's understand what causes this anxiety, what are the reasons that result in this anxiety. This anxiety mainly has four reasons: fear of failure, pressure to perform, negative judgment, poor preparation. Now let's understand these four reasons in detail. Fear of failure. It's the first cause of examination anxiety. Failure is a big concept. It's a constant worry resulting in thoughts like, what if I don't pass? Your brain starts imagining disappointment, regret, judgment, and this builds up into a stress problem, making your confidence to crash down because your brain worries about failing in examinations. So, this failure can be a big game changer in an examination. Pressure to perform. Everyone expects you to excel. Parents, teachers, even you have expectations from yourself, and sometimes these expectations turns very high and they keep building inside you until they break your focus. So this cannot be a path towards success. It can lead to a path away from success. So pressure to perform is another main cause of examination anxiety. Negative judgment. Expectations and judgment from others. What if I score low marks? What if I fail in an exam? What will others think about me? And sometimes their opinions and expectations, the fear of criticism matters to you more than your own preparations. This results into a long-term stress and anxiety. So next time preparing for an exam, be careful. You're preparing for yourself, not to satisfy others' judgment. Let's be honest. When you don't study enough, anxiety takes a toll on you, right? You know you're not just ready to sit in the exam yet. The fear hits you harder, and of course it turns into an anxiety. The reasons behind this can be your study habits, lack of motivations, distractions, and of course, how can we forget the main factor, the teenage age, the most distracting age of an individual's life. Comment below if you have any such experiences during your examinations where anxiety has taken a toll on you. These aren't just reasons, these are the real triggers, the causes of examination anxiety, and knowing them is the first main step in overcoming them. See you in the next video.